More than 50 companies pledged almost 110 billion rand at yesterday's investment conference. Government says it's focused on turning those pledges into projects. eNCA's business editor Devan Murugan has more.
The total value of pledges now secured by President Cyril Ramaphosa stands at 773 billion rand, 109 billion secured at this conference alone. It may sound impressive given COVID-19 and the country's anemic economic growth, but how soon will that figure manifest itself on the ground in terms of remedying our desperate job crisis?
Many of these projects are basically capable of getting into implementation in this period. In other words, by next year, construction would start and you begin to see the impact on GDP and jobs the minute the shovel hits the ground.
But there's still the perennial issues of structural reform. To what extent have we resolved spectrum allocation, ownership policy issues and regulatory concerns? The President says there is a move on that.
We've demonstrated already to the investors that we are moving as speedily as possible to reform. We've already started with the spectrum. It's going to be issued in March next year.
It's delayed, Mr. President. It's taken forever.
It has taken forever, and we are unhappy about that, but it's better late than never.
This conference takes care of investors, but on Friday, two of the biggest credit rating agencies will have their say on South Africa's economic fortunes. Devan Murugan, Johannesburg.